Not every motorcycle earns a mechanic's respect. Some fail early, some cost too much to maintain, and a few stand out for all the right reasons. In this video, we're counting down the 8 motorcycles that mechanics actually recommend bikes that deliver performance, reliability, and peace of mind. If you want a motorcycle that keeps running long after others quit, this list is for you. Number 8. Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. The Suzuki V-Strom 800DE is a standout in the adventure segment because it combines moderate displacement with serious reliability. Under the hood lies a 776cc parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth torque rather than peak numbers, which reduces stress on internal components. Mechanics love that the engine layout is compact and service access is excellent. The oil filter, spark plugs, and air filters are easy to reach without major dismantling. What sets it apart versus heavier, more complex ADV machines is its balanced weight, around 235 kilograms wet, and relatively low maintenance demands. The 2117 spoke wheels, longer suspension travel, and switchable ABS make it capable off-road yet stable on tarmac. Additionally, the V-Strom's cooling system and fuel injection mapping have proven durable in varying climates not prone to heat soak or lean conditions. Because of these traits, many mechanics say this bike avoids common issues like overheating, stuck injectors, or clutch drag, problems that plague lesser designs. For riders who want a real adventure-capable bike without constant workshop visits, the V-Strom 800DE delivers. It doesn't dominate headlines, but it consistently earns solid marks from professionals for its balance of performance, durability, and straightforward engineering. Number 7. Honda CB500X. True to Honda's reputation, the CB500X is a workhorse in the recommended by mechanics space. Its 471cc parallel twin delivers moderate but reliable power, often cited in workshops as hard to kill. Mechanics frequently point out that this engine, with its simple architecture and modest tuning, runs very cleanly with routine maintenance, making it ideal for long life. Critical service items, valve clearances, oil changes, clutch adjustments are all accessible, and spare parts are inexpensive and globally available. The CB500X features a 19-inch front wheel, upright ergonomics, decent suspension travel, and a comfortable seat height, 830 millimeters, a balanced setup for both commuting and light adventure riding. In workshops, many technicians mention that they rarely see catastrophic failures in CB500X engines. Instead, most service calls are for wear items like brake pads or chain, not engine components. Its fuel efficiency is also a key point. Riders regularly report highway averages north of 70 miles in 1 hour, reducing operational cost. For riders wanting a trusted low-maintenance machine, the CB500X is often a top suggestion. It may not be the most thrilling bike in specs, but its mechanical integrity, ease of service, and longevity make it a favorite among pros who see many machines fail by comparison. Number 6. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 strikes a rare blend of classic aesthetics and dependable performance, a combination mechanics admire. Its 1200cc parallel twin engine offers smooth, torque-rich delivery at lower RPM, reducing internal stress and promoting long-term durability. One standout trait: Triumph's modular engine architecture allows for component access in tight packaging. Spark plugs, throttle bodies, and camshafts are reachable without full teardown. The frame uses steel and a classic double cradle layout that balances rigidity and give, making handling predictable. The T120's weight, 222 kilograms, is moderate for its class, and it includes modern amenities like ride-by-wire, ABS, and traction control. But all these systems are well integrated without being overcomplicated. Mechanics often praise the build quality, low vibration, tight tolerances, and parts that last. One differentiation: Triumph's extensive dealer support and parts network in many regions helps keep repair times low compared to niche brands. The retro styling with exposed detailing doesn't come at the cost of durability. Paints, finishes, and fasteners tend to resist corrosion well. For riders who want a beautiful bike that doesn't demand obsessive maintenance, the Bonneville T120 is often recommended by pros. It may not beat sport bikes for outright speed, but in real-world use and years down the line, it's one that mechanics rarely fear working on, which is the highest compliment. Number 5. BMW R1250 GS. The BMW R1250 GS is frequently at the top of mechanics' trust list for premium adventure bikes. Its 1254cc boxer twin with shift cam variable valve timing offers broad torque and smoothness, reducing mechanical stress and enabling confident throttle responses across RPM. One technical strength is its robust cooling and lubrication systems. Oil temperature and flow management are well engineered, minimizing risk of overheating under heavy loads. The shaft drive eliminates chain maintenance, a common source of wear and adjustment in many other bikes. Its telelever and paralever suspension design decouples steering forces from shock loads, reducing stress on fork internals. From a workshop perspective, the modular electronics and diagnostics via BMW's onboard system make fault-finding cleaner, while parts are engineered for longevity. High-mileage GS models regularly cross 100,000 miles with proper care, which is rare in large adventure machines. Although complexity is higher, quality control and long-term durability justify it. The R1250 GS also benefits from a strong parts network globally. Riders who demand capacity, technology, and longevity often find the GS worth the premium. For mechanics, recommending a bike means trusting that owners won't constantly return the GS rarely disappoints in that regard. Its balance of power, comfort, serviceability, and endurance earns it strong praise in professional circles. Number 4. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 is often hailed in garages for combining fun performance and mechanical simplicity, a rare balance. Its 689cc CP2 parallel twin is known for being responsive yet forgiving, with moderate internal stresses that contribute to longevity. In many workshops, mechanics highlight how straightforward access to major service points, valves, filters, plugs, makes upkeep efficient. Unlike feature-heavy bikes, the MT-07 purposefully avoids overcomplicated electronics. Fewer systems mean fewer failures. Its chassis is light, 184 kilograms wet, and nimble, contributing to rider confidence without demanding constant suspension tuning. Over the years, Yamaha has refined its suspension damping. Addressing earlier critiques, the result is a more stable, comfortable ride while retaining sporty character. The clutch and gearbox are robust. Many owners report thousands of trouble-free miles before needing anything beyond normal wear items. Because it's a global model, parts are cheap and widely available, a major plus in many regions. Many mechanics say, when a rider brings in an MT-07 for service, they aren't surprised. In short, it's a motorcycle that trusts the rider with pure ride feel, without demanding constant adjustment. For those who prioritize dependable fun over complexity, the MT-07 is one of the cleanest, most mechanic-approved choices in its class. Number 3. Kawasaki Z900. The Kawasaki Z900 earns its place through a combination of rugged design and sensible engineering. Its 948cc inline-4 is relatively high-powered for its class, yet it's engineered conservatively, not pushed to extremes, so internal stresses remain manageable. Mechanics often praise Kawasaki's component packaging. Oil and coolant lines, filter access, and valve adjust points are well laid out. The Z900's 6-speed transmission is known for crisp shifts and durability, while the clutch system is robust even under repeated use. Its traction control, slipper clutch, and ride modes are integrated cleanly, not overly complex or failure-prone. The chassis is stiff but forgiving, helping minimize fatigue and mechanical strain over time. Because Kawasaki has a large global presence, parts and consumables are widely available and affordable, a practical advantage in real-world ownership. Workshops frequently note that Z900s tend to come in for routine items, tires, brake pads, rather than serious engine work. Its balanced output makes the Z900 work well for both commuting and spirited rides, without pushing components to breaking points. As a middleweight naked, it delivers strong thrills without sacrificing maintainability. That combination power, durability, logical design earns it consistent praise from mechanics who see many flawed bikes come and go. Number 2. Honda Africa Twin CRF 1100L. The Honda Africa Twin CRF 1100L is a top pick for mechanics recommending long-haul, dependable adventure machines. At 1084cc twin engine, it offers strong torque across the spectrum, reducing the need to push hard to stay in power. Its construction emphasizes durability, robust engine internals, strong cooling circuits, and solid protection for critical components. Many mechanics mention its cleverly designed service access filters. Clutch and oil pans can be reached without disassembling bodywork. The optional dual-clutch transmission, DCT variant, often criticized by purists, has proven surprisingly durable under field use. Many service shops report minimal issues if maintained properly. The chain drive is engineered for longevity, and Honda's electronics, ABS, ride modes, torque control, are well integrated and stable. The CRF 1100L's suspension and frame are designed to absorb off-road shocks without imparting damage to engine mounts or subframes. Due to Honda's global parts network, even remote regions see parts availability and lower repair turnaround times. Riders often praise its balance between adventure capability and rideability, while mechanics consistently treat it as one of the safer recommendations in the ADV field. For riders wanting a serious touring or off-road capable machine with lower worry about mechanical failures, the Africa Twin CRF 1100L is almost always near the top of a mechanic's list. Number 1. Honda CB750 Hornet. Leading the list is the Honda CB750 Hornet, a modern marvel rooted in simplicity and sound engineering. Its 755cc parallel twin using Honda's Unicam design offers strong mid-range torque, smooth operation, and lower internal friction. Mechanics love that its compact layout makes servicing tasks, oil, filters, spark plugs, straightforward. The Hornet's chassis is light for its displacement, 202 kilograms wet, which reduces undue stress on suspension, frame joints, and fasteners. Its electronics are kept minimal but essential. ABS, traction control, all integrated cleanly so they don't overwhelm mechanical systems. The gearbox and clutch are refined, with clear neutral shifts and minimal play even after extended use. Because Honda designed it to be global, parts are readily sourced and cost-effective. In many workshops, CB750 Hornets come in for routine maintenance rather than emergency repairs, an indicator of mechanical trust. Riders report excellent ride feel, balanced handling, and the confidence that comes from owning a bike that doesn't demand constant adjusting. In short, it's a motorcycle mechanics feel comfortable recommending because they know it won't betray its owner. It isn't flashy, but in a world full of hype, the CB750 Hornet is the dependable heartbeat mechanics would ride themselves, the ultimate vote of confidence. There it is, 8 motorcycles that get a mechanic's stamp of approval, not because they're trendy, but because they're built to endure. Want me to break down costs, mileage expectations, or parts availability next? Drop a comment below. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.